This is an example for multiple reflection in a thick mirror. So when I say thick mirror means what? You must have seen a mirror which is thinner also. Sometimes it is a thicker one. So what is the multiple reflection that happens in it? So take an example that there is a source of light which is over here. This is the source of light. So which means the light comes from here. The light comes from A and it's incident on the mirror at the front side, okay, the front surface of the mirror at this point B. Then what do? We draw the normal. Remember, when we draw the normal, it will help us know where the light is either bending or not. So you can see I draw a normal here. We know that this is a rarer medium. Which is the rarer medium? This is the rarer medium here, right? And from rarer medium the light goes towards a denser, because this mirror is a thick one. It bent towards the normal. This is a denser medium. This is a denser medium, and this is a rarer medium. Okay, now it will bend. Then we know that it will go to the other part of the mirror here. See, there is a mirror as such. This is plain, right? There's no coating in this part. Coating is done here. Coating is done here. So the ray of light will enter, bend towards a normal, and it cannot pass this coating because it has to reflect. This is the reflecting surface, right? So it will reflect. When it reflects, it will, this is a denser medium, this is a rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. Is that okay? But see, not all the light ray, okay, that is going out. Some of the light ray will reflect from here. Is that okay? So this is what here has to be explained. When say 100 unit of light coming from, say 100 unit of light, right, coming from the source A, right, it enters here, fine, some of this will get reflected from here itself, making the same angle, and incident and reflection. Is that okay? It will go in the same angle here, and say out of it, say 10% of it got reflected. So 10 out of 100 got reflected. 90 will pass through it. And out of this 90, it is not passing anywhere because an opaque surface is a reflecting surface. This 90 will come here. So how much is this? 90. This is also 90 here. Out of this 90, okay, say I would say 85 will go this way, and 5 will be here. So again 5 get reflected. So out of this 5, 4 goes this way and 1 is here. Out of this 1 here, this is 1 again coming here, again 1 reflected because this is a reflecting surface. Out of 1 here, say 0.08 has gone out and 0.2 is here. From 0.2 which has come out here, say is maybe 0.05 has gone out and remaining will be coming back here. So my idea is not the actual figure, and I have not taken those in proportion as well. Whatever came to my mind, I just explained with the figure which came to my mind. Why? Because yes, I just meant to say that if 100 unit of light comes, 10 gets reflected, 90 gets here. Out of 90, 85 goes this way, 5 will come here, which means majority of the light will go and some of the light will get reflected. This is called internal, okay, reflection here, right? When the light comes in, it refracts, some get reflected, and this light will get refracted also, and some of it will get reflected. Always it happens. Fine. So you can see which has the highest intensity of light, either P, Q, R, S, T. So I find Q has the highest one, which is the second one. So this is the first ray, second ray, third ray, fourth ray, fifth ray. Second is always the highest intensity, so you can just bring it backward here. Image formed by the second one is the brightest one here. So in brightest one, in the exam you get a question here. Wow, I mean, how do we have that the second light which is reflected from the thick plane mirror is the brightest, right? Second image, not the first image, and neither the other one. This is okay. This is the best one, and these are further going down. This will be the diminishing part here. The intensity of light will diminish and become almost null later on. So this is the brightest one, less brighter, and the others are going down here. So this is the question, which is the light, the most bright one? You can say the second ray of light. Or why is it so? You have to explain with the figure here, and this is how it has to be explained. And this comes in the board exam as well, right? Multiple reflection in thick mirror. Remember, it's not a thin mirror. The word is a thick mirror. Unless and until we have a thick mirror, this will not be possible to that extent. Is it clear? So the question comes as the second ray, the second image, not ray, the second image formed by a thick mirror is the brightest. Why? Okay.